Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we would be seeing the Databricks new feature of atomic compound statements and how we can use it while writing our SQL queries. So the problem statement here is each SQL statement is considered as a separate transaction. So even if one of the SQL statement fails, then our data breaks. To resolve this, Databricks have come up with a atomic compound statements. Let's see how it helps us. So, multiple SQL statements are considered as a single transaction. Either all the SQL statements succeeds and our data is consistent, or even if one of the SQL statements fails, then all the data has been rolled back. Let's understand it further with an example. So here we are trying to do an SCD type one, where we have first a delete statement to delete the record with this particular ID and then a insert statement. Due to any of the reason, if the delete statement is successful, but the insert statement ends up failed, so we lose our data. So to resolve this, we have this atomic compound statements where we will be writing begin atomic at the very start and then we would be adding all our SQL statements, the delete statement first and then the insert statement. So that even if insert fails, the delete transaction will be rolled back. So either both will succeed or nothing will be changed. So this makes our data more reliable and consistent. So let's see some of the prerequisites to use this feature. So the tables that would be used in this SQL should be UC managed and the runtime used to run this queries should be above 18 and appropriate permissions should be granted to the objects that are going to be modified. So that's all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching this video and subscribe to the channel to keep yourself updated with the latest Databricks features.